In question 2 of this exercise, the statement says, are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. Well, the square root of a positive integer is not irrational if the integer is a perfect square of another integer. For example, because 4 square is equal to 16, this means that the square root of the positive integer 16 is the integer 4, which is not an irrational number. Similarly, the square root of 25, the square root of 36, the square root of 49, the square root of 64, and any other integer that are perfect squares, the square roots of all such integers are also integers, and hence the square roots are rational. Therefore, the answer to the question in the problem, that are the square roots of all positive integers irrational, the answer to this question is no. The square roots of all positive integers are not irrational. And with that, we complete question 2 of this exercise. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.